And welcome back to the Crochet Credits. So it's my friends at yarnspirations.com. Help! Yarn Inspirations Undercover, patterns that are just like hidden somewhere. Oh, maybe they didn't actually mean undercover. Let's get started in a little quick roundup today of patterns that you may have missed. And welcome to the pattern review from a male point of view. We have 14 examples today. The sample I just showed you was the crisscross corner to corner. I will put it as part of the links. I didn't intend to, but you know what? It is what it is. Let's start off with our first example. Number one is the red heart circles in octagons throw. Green and white, prize winning, fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. It's not overcomplicated and you can work it and work it and work it. That's number one. Number two is the red heart artisan throw. Now, if you have variegated yarn and you're not sure what to do with it, take a look at this particular example. It actually has blue and yellow with variegated squares within a big square. So you just do all the little squares and then start circling it. So that might be something to be able to bring down your stash on maybe your yarn you're really not sure what to do with. Make It Rain ribbons with number three. Holy cow. It is the Red Heart Country Fields Lapcan. This has all my signature stuff I love. Check, check, check. Signature of texture, sampler. Take a look at this one. It is possibly something that you can enter into a county fair, depending on your colors and your execution of this particular one. Number three. Number four reminds me of Avatar. You know how the doctor was about to transform into the Avatar body, but she doesn't make it, and the shaman says, "Oh, Jake, she was just too weak." This pattern here is not for the weak. This one is the one that I think can score some major ribbons. Just make it rain. Make it rain, those ribbons. And this here is the red heart round as you go throw. It is purple, it has texture, it is amazing, and this is quilt worthy stuff. So I think this one, if you are looking for a challenge and ready to, you know, take it out on the refrigerator with your emotions, this one is totally up for you. Number four. When I saw this one, I'm like, where in the hell has this one been? Number five is the Red Heart out of the box throw. Wow, simple. Texture a little bit of fan work, and I just think there's a missed opportunity here. There's 8,000 free patterns on yarnspirations.com. Stuff like this gets lost. I cannot believe I have not seen this one before. If you are looking for something simple, a sense of just wanting to easy repeats, sit back, crochet, relax, throw on some Netflix or something, this is definitely number five, and this is an awesome pattern. Now, number six has come to me twice from yarnspirations.com asking me to think about filming this one. This is the Red Heart Crochet Flower Throw. Look at the texture on this one. It has my curiosity too. They know all the right things to say to me there. Michael, it has texture. And I'm like, what? I'm like a gopher. Do gophers even do that? Really great idea. I'm really close to filming this one, but you can let me know in the comments. And it's a hexagonal motif. It's just lots of different colors of the same pattern, and then you just put it together with a whip stitch. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I have no idea what I'm talking about. That's number six, and this may be on my hit list real soon. Check. Making a comeback was number seven with the Red Heart Sunny Spread Throw. We actually have a tutorial available on this one. I'll link it with the more information of this one so you can find that. Really nice, easy spokes that go out. I actually show it with Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. It was originally on a pattern many years ago that had a monkey in the photograph in some way. I think there were monkey faces or something. I don't 100% remember, but it was something to do with monkeys and this particular design. And so this one is making a comeback, and I think that it's kind of a neat idea. Also keeps you mentally interested. Also done with the motifs, so you can just whip it off during the hot months and then just put it together probably in the fall or when you freaking feel like it. Because who's in charge? You are. Let's move on to number eight. Let's talk about number eight. What a classic design. It's the Hexagonal Granny motifs that can be put together. It appears that it's joined as you go. Don't 100% quote me. I didn't look at the pattern yet, but that's what it looks like to me because, you know, just looking. Like the idea, if you have stash or yarn collection that you're not sure what to do with it, you can randomize the colors. You can have a lot of fun with this particular idea. And I just think it's a classic design that just never loses its spirit. I think this is a really good one. And this is number 8 with the join as you go hexagonal granny. I don't know why it makes me do that because I think yarn is involved. And I haven't even been huffing the yarn this morning. Let's begin. Number 9. Okay, number 9, do you want to be that person that is hated at the baby shower when you say, please accept my little gift, and it's a handmade item? And this here is the Red Heart Cable Your Love blanket, classic design that is a stitch sampler basically. And I just think the design is wonderful. It's got those little bit of nuggets of stitches that you can throw into it, and I think it's really good. So you can make other people cry at the baby shower when you present this and they just do something like paper crafts or something. Really great idea, and I think it's for extra special people or maybe somebody that you care a lot about. I think this particular one here is one that should not be missed. So take a look at this one, number 9. Number 10, I don't believe it. Unless I'm gonna do it, I don't believe it's true. This is the Red Heart Summer in Devonshire Throw. This falls into the category of, oh my God, possibly with an F in there somewhere. This one says that it's only 11 rounds, but look at this design. Do you believe that it's only 11? I have to like, okay then. Meanwhile, somebody's living in denial. It possibly is 11. Just look at it. Like, this is the one that also makes it rain ribbons, and this is the one that makes other people cry when you get all those ribbons. Ooh, you know you want to put them in your space, in their place with your hot stitches and stuff, and you go and show up, and then you're seeing people ogling your thing, and you're like, who did that one? And you're like, I did. Number 11 is the Red Heart Scallop baby blanket. When I saw this, I thought rug. What's a cow's name without any legs? Oh, Matt. This one here looks like a flower when it's laying down flat. It's something different for a baby, so if you're sick and tired of doing like the squares or whatever for a baby blanket, this might be up your alley for this one. There is a lot of instructions because of the way that it's been put together, but you can see that it's a repeat as you're going around because of the petal work. I thought it's a really cool idea, probably really photographable. So if you're looking for photo props, this might be one for that. And so I really like design. This one has my curiosity. I'm not committed to filming it, but I'm thinking about it. I'm in that level of thinking about it. So let me know. Number 11. Number 12 is the Red Heart April Showers Throw. Look at this bad boy. Look at it. No, don't look at me. Look at that. And it's really amazing. I think this is the prize winner. The squares just have a punch. It's a showstopper. It's everything that I want in crochet and more. It's something beyond just double crochet in rows or rounds. It's something a lot of that has me really quite interested and fascinated with it. So I'm thinking about this one too. This one does have my curiosity. Oh, so many choices. But take a look at this one. What do you think? Number 12. And check. Number 13, Wendy, my assistant, loves this pattern, the Red Heart Refreshing Throw. How refreshing is that? Look at the design. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, look at the stitch work. It just reminds me of stained glass without color. Just like the framework of it. I like the little bit of a lift off the texture of this one. You know, you put it together, you wham bam, and thank you, slam. I just think that this particular one with your crochet hook and your desire to want to do something unique is definitely in number 13. So it's a lucky number after all. Finally, number 14 is, holy cow, how many adjectives can you do there and keep it clean language? Not very many for me. Because when I see something, I just have to do it. This one here is the Red Heart Square Upon a Square Throw. Wow, wow, wow. Just the way that it's put together, it's not overly confusing. You can have some color play with it. just a really great design, and I think this was a really good one. Maybe to accessorize your house, give it as a gift. Why give it as a gift? Keep it for yourself. I think it's a really great idea. So I'm looking to film some of these up. You can let me know in the comments. Just give me the number of the one that you would like, and we'll go from there. I'm not promising anything because my list is getting bigger and bigger as the days march on, but definitely a few of these do have my curiosity. I just got to put in the work to do it. So let me know. Woo! Nice good roundup today.